So for my personal project, I have chosen 3D modeling as my topic. If you can see here, I've chosen a calla lily as the topic for my product. My product is a tutorial which is gonna be used to teach beginners the basic mechanics of Blender. The basic mechanics of Blender can be the add function, the size function, or the rotate and move function. As you can see here, this is a video representation of the tutorial I have made. Here I have used the size function to make a funnel-like shape for the flower. While for the leaf, I have used the decimate and the subdivision modifier to create the vertices in a shape that I can modify to add depth to the leaf. While for the vase, I use both the extrude function and the size function. I have also created slides which can be used to show the beginner each step side by side so that they don't need to rush each step in the video.